Hey, beautiful energy. Welcome to your self-care moment. You're watching Skin and Body Wellness, and today we're talking about something so many of us in the world struggle with: stubborn belly fat. If you've been eating pretty healthy, trying to move your body, but that lower belly just won't budge, this is for you. Today I'm sharing two powerful DIY fat-burning drinks that are simple, affordable, and made with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. These are not magic potions, but when paired with balanced eating and movement, they can support digestion, reduce bloating, and help your body burn fat more efficiently. Let's get into it. Drink number 1. This morning drink is all about kickstarting your metabolism and calming inflammation. Ingredients: 1 cup water, juice of half a fresh lemon, 1 teaspoon freshly grated ginger. Optional, a pinch of cayenne pepper. How to make it: boiled method. Pour 1 cup of water into a small pot. Add the freshly grated ginger to the water. Bring it to a gentle boil. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes to fully extract the ginger benefits. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly. Strain the ginger pieces. Add fresh lemon juice. Add a pinch of cayenne, optional. Stir and drink warm first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Why boiling is better. Boiling the ginger helps release gingerol, the active compound that supports digestion, reduces bloating, and may help boost metabolism. Adding lemon after boiling protects its vitamin C and keeps the nutrients intact. And drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Why it works. Lemon supports digestion and helps reduce water retention. Ginger is known for boosting metabolism and fighting inflammation. Cayenne may slightly increase calorie burn and reduce appetite. This drink helps with bloating, which, let's be real, sometimes looks like belly fat but is actually trapped gas and inflammation. Who should avoid it? If you have acid reflux, stomach ulcers, or sensitive digestion, skip the cayenne and go light on the lemon. Always listen to your body. Drink number 2. This one is powerful for appetite control and bloating. Ingredients: 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, juice of 1/2 lemon. Perfect method. Add 1 tablespoon chia seeds to 1 cup water. Stir immediately to prevent clumping. Let sit for at least 20 to 30 minutes, or overnight in fridge. Stir again before drinking. Add lemon juice before drinking. Drink mid-morning or 20 minutes before a meal. Why this one works. Expands in stomach, increases fullness. High in fiber, supports gut health. Helps reduce overeating. Reduces bloating when used consistently. Who should avoid these? People with kidney issues. Severe acid reflux, avoid ACV plus lemon. Those on blood sugar medication, consult doctor. Anyone with swallowing difficulties, be cautious with chia. These drinks help with bloating, digestion, cravings, blood sugar balance. But belly fat is also influenced by stress, cortisol, sleep, processed sugar intake, movement. Drink support, they don't replace lifestyle. These drinks work best when you stay hydrated, reduce processed sugar, walk at least 20 to 30 minutes a day, get quality sleep. Belly fat is often connected to stress hormones, especially cortisol. So protecting your peace is part of the glow up too. Consistency beats intensity every time. If this video helped you, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, subscribe to Skin and Body Wellness, comment belly glow if you're starting today. And remember, this isn't about shrinking yourself. It's about supporting your body so you can feel confident, energized, and powerful in your own skin. I'll see you in the next self-care moment.